We are fighting an ideological battle with the BJP and the RSS, who believe in a fundamentally different concept of India. We believe that India is a union of states. In the Constitution, it is clearly stated, India, that is Bharat, is a union of states. And what this means is that all states, all languages, all traditions should be treated equally. For us, every single state, no matter how big or small, is equally important.
எங்களை பொறுத்தவரை ஒரு மாநிலம் எவ்வளவு சிறிய மாநிலமாக இருந்தாலும் அது எங்களுக்கு முக்கியமான மாநிலம்தான்.
For us, every single language is a history of its people. Every single language is an important treasure for the Union of India. The Tamil people have their history, thousands of years of history. They have their language. In the same way, the people of Punjab, the people of Uttar Pradesh, the people of the northeastern states, people of Karnataka, people of Maharashtra have their own language, their own history, their own tradition. And for us, language, culture, tradition is not to be attacked. We believe that every state of India should have its own voice, should have its own representation, and the people of each state should run the state. The BJP does not think like this.
ஆனால் பாஜக அப்படி நினைப்பதல்ல.
The BJP believes that one tradition, one language, one history should overcome all other traditions, languages and histories.